So here we are once again, back at the casino parking garage. I didn't walk here yesterday. I had to meet with the guy from Environmental Health Agency to decide where we're going to put my mom's caretaker's trailer. So let me do some reading for you. It's a poem from yesterday. And it says, Morning Steps by Louis Eugene Ballard. The sun rose quiet, the breeze stood still, yet purpose called beyond the hill. No garage walk, no echoed pace, but steps were taken all in grace. With eyes on ground and thoughts on sky, I met the day and let time fly. A trailer's place, a path made clear. Progress whispers, you're still here. Okay, this was where I walked yesterday with the gentleman from Environmental Health Agency to see where we could possibly park the trailer. And we figured about right there in between two homes. I'm just doing a short video of areas we walked to. Tree company came out for PG&E, cut out a lot of trees up in there. You can actually see beyond the brush now. Here I am, back in the parking garage, and I'll let you take a look. Smiles. So now you can see I'm back at one of my really favorite places to walk.
You said you said you wanted it from the front sometimes.
And you know what? They're also filming here at the casino today, so I might be in a commercial.
Don't let me run into anything.
Hello, I'm back in my truck on my way to my dental appointment. Got some walking in this morning at the casino. Took a little bit of footage inside. I'll check back in with you after my dental appointment. We'll be walking for a couple of days. I'm checking into UC Davis Medical Center for a heart procedure, getting a Guardian device implanted into my chest. My apologies for not keeping up with my walking for the next couple of days. But like I said, I'll be going in for a heart procedure at UC Davis tomorrow morning. I check in at 10 a.m. Thank you for following me. If you remember to like and subscribe my channel, it would be most appreciated. Talk to you later. I did all that talking and forgot to reverse the camera so you could actually see me.